So Ellie and I are on my absolute favorite section of this bike trail that is like 10 minutes from me, and it's just great.
Oh, is it great? Is it great?
So we just crossed the bridge and now we're hanging out for a little bit before we head back. So it's just a little out and back, but it's been pretty perfect. I love this section of this bike trail because it follows so closely with the river, and there's this big long bridge you can go over that's just surrounded by trees, and the birds are always chirping, and regardless of the weather, it's just so nice. And it was really necessary after the past few days where there's so many unknowns and just feeling a little bit hopeless and lost, to be able to come back and just enjoy a beautiful day and just be present with Ellie, who, as you can see, is completely enjoying herself getting into the river. And she's actually a little worried going over this bridge, but she was great. But it was just the perfect day for us to be present and not worry about the future, just enjoy and be grateful for where we are right now. And I'm just thankful that she is pain-free and loving life. And that's gonna be the goal for every day moving forward.